Hi everyone! Today we're working on a quick soy sauce pickle. Quick pickles usually take several hours and up to 1 day to ferment. You'll need 5 tablespoons of soy sauce and 2.5 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2.5 tablespoons of rock sugar or raw sugar, 2 to 4 pieces of dried licorice root, which you can find at a Chinese grocery store, typically among the small bagged items of dried ingredients for soups or herbal medicine. I'm using both English cucumbers and also mini Persian cucumbers for science, and a couple of clean jars. First, we'll go ahead and chop our freshly washed off screen cucumbers into batons about 2 to 3 inches long. Trim both ends and slice away. I ended up chopping out a lot of the seed-heavy centers later because I didn't think they'd pickle well, and also I'm not a huge fan of eating seeds. These are the mini Persian cucumbers. Now we'll cut the English cucumber the same way. Always make sure to roll what you're chopping to the most stable side. It's brine time. In goes the 2.5 tablespoons of rice vinegar or white vinegar, followed by 5 tablespoons of soy. Drop in the 2 to 4 pieces of licorice root and 2.5 tablespoons of rock sugar. I had to double the brine recipe since I was making so many pickles. Bring to boil and stir until the sugar is melted completely. Once the sugar is melted, add way too many cucumbers for your pot. Turn to ensure the cucumbers are completely coated. We're going to boil this for 1 to 3 minutes. I ended up boiling one batch a little bit longer than the other just to see if it would make any difference to the crunch level. In the end, it didn't seem to matter. Once boiled, remove from heat. After the cucumbers have cooled down somewhat, we can transfer them into the jars. I've got that separated into English cucumber batch and Persian cucumber. I'm impatient, so long as the jar don't melt, I'm putting it in. They can cool inside the jar before I transfer it to the fridge too. You can see the steam coming off them. Cram all the cucumbers down, and don't forget to remove the dehydrated licorice. And be sure to top off completely with the soy marinade. These pickles we're making today are an attempt to mimic a canned pickle my family grew up eating with jok or rice porridge, so I really hope that they turn out. We're going to put these straight into the fridge and give them a taste tomorrow. See you then.